I'm here today with Richard Caldwell from Greatcell Solar at the Microcap Investment Conference in Melbourne. Hi Richard.
Good morning, Maritza.
Can you tell us a little bit about the company background of Greatcell Solar?
Greatcell Solar has been developing third generation PV since 2005 when it listed on the Australian Stock Exchange.
Tell us about the recently raised $5 million which you matched $6 million funding from ARENA.
Absolutely great question. So the $5 million we've just raised from our shareholders, including our strategic shareholder Tasnee of the Middle East, has a massive amount of leverage and is matching a $6 million grant from the Australian Renewable Energy Agency. Given the fact that that money also qualifies for R&D rebate, the $5 million we've raised from shareholders actually translates into at least $15 million of new funding for the company, which will set our prototyping project well on track. So very exciting times for our shareholders.
Right. Now, can you give us an update on your collaboration with Jinko Solar?
Our Jinko collaboration is an evaluation of our technology by the world's leading producer of PV panels. So you'll be aware that the PV market at the moment is somewhere in the vicinity of $75 billion. And Jinko is the biggest producer into that market. So they're looking to collaborate with us to introduce our technology as a supplement to their own current silicon offering. So very exciting time again for us as an Australian company seeking to address the world market.
What news do you have on your new prototype facility with CSIRO Melbourne?
That's coming into fruition with the signing of the ARENA agreement, which is expected to be completed within the next 2 weeks. So we'll co-locate with CSR and CSIRO at Clayton here in Melbourne, which is also very close to Monash University. So it'll be a new precinct, hopefully with support also from the Victorian government to develop this product for the world market, which is significantly cheaper than anything else in the PV market and will do a lot to address the price of energy here in Australia.
Great. And finally, what can your investors expect to see over the coming months?
Well, it's a really exciting time for GSL investors because we're in the prototyping phase. And with prototyping, we're really de-risking the scale-up of the technology. So with that, and also the introduction of new commercialisation partners for this technology on both glass and steel over the next 12 months, it's going to be a very exciting time for our shareholders, and we'd expect some degree of improvement in the share price.